Gold medal for BBA 2020 and one for MBA 2020. MA Rural Development, the University Gold Medal goes to Shivani Sharma. The University Gold Medal goes to Malvika Kotwal. The University Gold Medal goes to Ruqayya Begum. Bachelor of Music, the University Gold Medal goes to Sabah Majid. MSc Microbiology, and Rajiv Nath Memorial Gold Medal or bracket medals and goes to two candidates. First candidate is Garima Singh. MBBS Vaishali gets 5 gold medals. University Gold Medal, Dr. Sarla Devi Shani Memorial Gold Medal, Dr. Nanakchand Memorial Gold Medal, Dr. Rukmani Devi Mirpuri Gold Medal, and Nikhil Baru Memorial Gold Medal in Surgery. Ramika State gets Nikhil Baru Memorial Gold Medal in Medicine.